Recording. Okay, so this is my second go outside with this camera. And the thing I've learned also is that any kind of zoom action needs to be on the tripod. Now that building is about 150 yards maybe away. And that's 2640 magnification. You move it and that's 70. Out of breath, it's hot out here. Where did that little emblem there? Can almost make it out. It's not very good focus. That's 500. I didn't think it would focus that close at 500. So this thing actually goes up to 3,000 electronically. And I think for it to work good, it needs to be further away when you use that 3,000. Because I've noticed it up close, it doesn't really want to zoom in all that good on close-up stuff. Let's stop that.